guys, welcome back to Tasted Flavors. Today I have for you another dessert recipe which is super easy and quick to make. You require only two major ingredients and some fruits. It is called the fruit cream. So if you're ready for this quick and easy dessert recipe, and if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching the video. So the first step for this delightful dessert is to take some chilled cream and transfer the entire content from the can or jar, whatever you have, into a bowl. And using an electric beater, just beat it. If you don't have an electric beater, don't worry, you can just take a regular whisk and just whisk it for say roughly about 2 minutes so it becomes nice and fluffy. That is what we want. Okay, once you see that it's got nice and fluffy and frothy, that is when you need to go ahead and add in the condensed milk. That's it. These are just the two main ingredients you need except of fruits. Just beat this really well together. At this stage you can also taste a bit of this and check for the sweetness if you're happy. I wanted a bit more, so as you can see I added a bit more of condensed milk. Now I'm going to mix it, stir it slightly. And now comes the main ingredients to the fruit cream. The base is absolutely ready. Now authentically there are just three fruits which are added, which is apples, bananas and grapes. So I've chopped all of this and I'll be adding just these three ingredients, but it's your desire. If you want to go ahead adding some strawberries or any other fruit that you like, you can do that as well. Using a spatula, I'm just going to mix all of this really well together, making sure that the entire cream is well combined with all the fruits inside it. And yeah, once you see that all of this is ready, it is ready to be served. You can pop it back into the refrigerator to chill for a while. You can serve it like this if you're serving it for a buffet, a platter with friends, or else into small portions in some small bowls or little cups or something like that. I'm just going to drop in a few pomegranate seeds on the top to get this nice red color, to add a break of color to this, and some nice small chunks of green grapes, followed by the freshness aspect using some mint leaves. So here our quick and easy dessert is absolutely ready to be served. This tastes amazing. I'm sure that you will like this easy and quick dessert recipe. So whenever next you have your friends coming over or your family, do make this dessert. Trust me, even before the main course, this is something that will just finish. So thanks a lot for joining me for this video today. I hope that you like spending time with me. For more such quick and easy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you're notified for my next one. Thanks a lot for being with me. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you all take care. Bye.